In a lush forest where trees stretched towards the sky and rivers flowed like lifeblood, two birds lived together in harmony. Their names were Luna and Skye, and they were inseparable. With feathers of iridescent blues and greens, they would soar through the skies, their songs intertwining like a beautiful duet. Their days were filled with adventure and laughter. They would explore the forest, discovering hidden streams and secret meadows. As they flew, the wind beneath their wings would whisper secrets, and they would share their dreams and aspirations with each other. One fateful day, a storm rolled in, dark and menacing. The winds howled and the rain lashed down, threatening to rip the birds from the sky. Luna and Skye struggled to stay aloft, their wings beating fiercely against the gusts. But Skye lost her battle, and she fell to the ground, her lifeless body washed away by the torrent. When the storm finally subsided, Luna searched frantically for her friend. She called out Skye's name, but there was only silence. As she landed on a branch, she saw Skye's lifeless body lying on the ground. Luna's heart shattered into a million pieces. She felt as though she had lost a part of herself. "Oh, Skye, my dear friend, my companion, my everything. Why did you have to leave me? Who will cheer me up now? Who will share my adventures, my dreams, my secrets?" Luna's sorrow was palpable. She felt lost and alone, wandering the forest without purpose. Every tree, every stream, every flower reminded her of Skye. She would see a fluttering leaf and think it was Skye's wing, only to realize it was just the wind. As she flew through the forest, Luna encountered other creatures, hoping to find solace in their company. She landed near a pond where ducks swam and played. She approached them, hoping to find some comfort, but they chased her away, quacking loudly. Luna flew away, her heart heavy with sorrow. She landed on a flower-filled meadow where butterflies danced and fluttered. She watched them, just mesmerized by their beauty, and really hoped to find some peace. But they ran away, frightened by her tears and her strange, mournful song. Luna felt like she was walking through a dark forest with no light in sight. Every step she took, every wing beat she made felt like a struggle. She longed for Skye's companionship, her laughter, her songs. Who will bring joy to my heart again? Who will share my adventures, my dreams, my secrets? I'm so lonely, so sad. I'm in great pain. I'm lost in darkness. One day, as she sat on a branch, a wise old owl perched beside her. The owl spoke gently. "Little bird, I know your pain. I've lost friends before, and I know the ache that follows. But I also know that life goes on. You must find a way to heal, to learn to fly again." The wise owl continued, "You don't fill the void, little bird. You learn to live with it. You find new ways to fly, new songs to sing. You discover that even in loneliness there is beauty, and you hold on to the memories of your friend, cherishing them, but not letting them define you." Luna thought about the owl's words. She realized that she had a choice. She could let her sorrow consume her, or she could use it to fuel her journey. She began to sing again, her songs filled with a newfound depth, a newfound wisdom. As she flew through the forest, she noticed the beauty around her. She saw the way the sunlight filtered through the leaves, the way the rivers flowed like silver ribbons. She met new birds, new creatures, and they shared their stories, their songs, their laughter. Luna's heart still ached for Skye, but she learned to live with the pain. She learned to fly again, to soar through the skies, to find joy in the beauty around her. And though she would always carry Skye's memory with her, she knew that she was no longer alone. The Lonely Bird's Tale.